Hakka
and I Hakka
We love Hakka
现在就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hi, I'm Joseph Lin, and here's a Hakka song with a light bossa nova twist by Yang Caiqing, who actually just started learning Hakka about 2 years ago. This is called 同色念法. Let's take a listen first.
有一团拍色嘅記，喺年少花中嘅祝福，有一對太太嘅松樹，帶伴愛母親嘅力量，有一團烏色嘅暗夜。天天长为迷路，青春嘅年少，嘅就像果子般酸甜，用彩风度慢慢按，时间越久越是香。青春嘅年少，嘅就像法律嘅安详。慢慢上，不要太急着欣赏。
So this song literally means the age of the tongue color, and it talks about the confusing time of youth and what they have to go through in order to mature into an adult. 这首杨才清所带来的同色年华是在唱出青春少年的青涩与迷惘，然后经过一些酸甜苦涩而成熟的一个过程哦。而很有趣的是，杨才清本身其实不是客家人哦，是2年前才接触客语，而这首歌还得到了创作大赛的肯定呢。好，我们现在来继续收听同色念法。
有一团拍色嘅記，喺年少花中嘅祝福，有一對太太嘅松樹，帶伴愛母親嘅力量，有一團烏色嘅暗夜，喺你愛凝神嘅烤釀，有一對太太嘅木竹，愛天天長。
Like this Hakka song, we will see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.